In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify product inventory that's not being tracked. If you're managing an e-commerce store, it's crucial to ensure that your inventory is monitored accurately, as this helps prevent overselling and ensures a smooth operation. So let's dive right in and address this essential task. First, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, click on Products. This section is where you'll find all the items you're currently selling. Once you're in the products area, you'll need to locate the specific product that's not being tracked correctly. Click on that product to open its details. It's essential to check each product thoroughly, especially if you've adjusted settings in the past or recently uploaded new inventory. Next, you'll want to enable inventory tracking. This option lets Shopify monitor stock levels automatically for the product, preventing unexpected shortages. If you don't immediately see the inventory tracking option, don't worry. This issue usually occurs with products that have multiple variants, such as different sizes or colors. In this case, simply click on one of the product variants. Once you're on the variants page, you should see the option to enable inventory tracking. Make sure to enable it here, so Shopify can track each variant individually, which is crucial for maintaining accurate stock levels. After you've enabled the inventory tracking option, click Save. Doing so ensures that your changes are implemented and prevents future discrepancies in your stock management. It's a simple step, but an important one. Double-check that everything looks correct and that all variants, if applicable, have been set to track inventory. And there you go. Your Shopify product inventory should now be set up correctly for tracking. By following these steps, you ensure better stock management and reduce the risk of running into issues with product availability. Inventory tracking is key to providing excellent customer service and maintaining the smooth operation of your online store. So that's all there is to it. Remember, consistent checks and updates on your inventory settings can save you a lot of time and hassle later on. This task might seem straightforward, but it's an important part of your store's back-end operations. Keeping track of inventory levels prevents potential problems and helps maintain a positive shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps keep your Shopify store running seamlessly. If you have any questions, or there's anything else you'd like to learn about Shopify, feel free to reach out or check other content for more in-depth guidance. Happy selling!